guys, I'm painting my helmet. This is the helmet I've got from Bajaj showroom when I purchased my bike. It's of no use, completely useless. Look at the design, it's so ugly. So I'm painting it matte black. I've covered it with tape all over and will be painting through Bossy matte black paint. So this is the paint I've bought. It's flat black, number 4, 200 ml for 200 rupees. You can get it from any paint stores. It's good. Let's see how it's the quality. Keep watching. So guys, I've cut it with a cutter and shaped it well. This part is fine because of black, that black thing will come there. Here it is, I've cut it here. Perfect shape. The paint won't enter inside. I'll be applying full matte paint on this. So here it is, I have painted it with the matte paint at home. It looks something like this. I'll add one more layer to it after about an hour. Then let it dry for about 3 to 4 hours. And we'll show you the final result afterwards. So here is the final result, guys. I've installed this black visor now. It was transparent, though this is a cheap helmet, very cheap one. It kind of looks cool than before. The paint job work is not the best, but it does the job. It's matte finish. Also, these straps are like kind of ugly looking, so I'll change this to matte color or some gloss color. And also I've left this gloss part here because of the vents. I tried to get the reflective visor, but it was not available for this cheap helmet, so I got this one only. It kind of does the job. The visor is also like very loose, and see there is a gap. So guys, this is the final result I showed you. Thank you for watching. You can do it at your home as well.